Alright, so I got this LED side marker from AliExpress. Now let's go ahead and unbox this thing and check it out. So it actually comes with two nuts and the actual side markers, or the signal lights for the JDM cars. Now overall, it looks great, and looking at it side by side, it's very similar to the OEM JDM one. Now to get more access to this side marker, you need to turn the wheels on the other way so you can have more space. Now first we remove these rivet clips by pressing the mint portion. After that, we flip open part of the fender liner to gain access behind it. Then you will see this connector from behind, and simply unlock it and pull it back. Next, grab a 10mm and remove the nut behind. Now when you loosen this nut, make sure you grab hold on the bumper to avoid it from moving. Next up, we simply squeeze the lock from behind and slide it out. Now before installing the new one, make sure you clean it up because you won't be seeing this for a long time. Now to install the new one, we simply align it up and just push it in. And after that, we install the new bolts and tighten it. After that, we plug in the connector. After that, simply test it out before installing the rivet clips. Now when installing this, make sure the head of the rivet clips is popped up to insert them into the holes. Otherwise, you won't be able to insert them. After that, we simply push in the head of the rivet clips to lock it up. Now one side is done, we go to the other. Now after installing this, you can actually see that there's a gap between the bumper and the side marker. So this is actually a negative part of this, and it actually moves around. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this product, how it's shipped, and is it worth it. And thanks for watching, and please help us by subscribing, and see you on the next one.